Five tips that will help you to take good care of yourself. Then you become the best version of you. You will love yourself more and to care for yourself. I'm saying the truth. It's not easy to take good care of yourself. But once you have determined, once you have determined and you're really ready to do it, it's going to be easy for you and you're going to do it. So for those who could not take care of yourself, it can be due to so many reasons. Maybe the work they do is something that is very stressful, or some of them, they are raising their family, they have a toddler, they have a lot of people they depend on them, their work is very stressful, they have to do this work and do that work. So many reasons that people cannot take care of themselves, so many reasons. But I'm here to share with you 5 things that you can do, that you can practice, that is going to be easy for you to be able to take good care of yourself. But come to think of it, if you cannot take good care of yourself and something just happened to you, all those people that depend on you, they will still continue to live their life. That is it, they have no choice. And those work that is very stressful for you, if anything happens to you today, immediately they are going to replace you without looking back. It's not their fault, but they want to keep their company going, they want to continue to make money, and they don't want to stop because you are not available anymore. So why don't you take a bold step and take good care of you? Why don't you look after yourself? Why don't you do what's supposed to do? Then all those things is not going to happen to you. Because if you don't take good care of yourself, nobody will take good care of you. When you take good care of yourself, that is when everybody is going to be able to, they have to abide, they have to adjust to your new lifestyle. So you need to look out for yourself. You need to take good care of yourself to be able to do better. My name is Fola. I'm a coach and author. I coach women on how to overcome limiting barrier and conditioning that the religion, the society, the culture have placed on women. And I just wrote a book. The title of the book is Woman Live for More, how to overcome all those limitations. And as a man, you can get this book also, read it and get it for any woman that you have in your life. So it's not only about women. As a man, you can read this book also. And I want you to subscribe now to my channel. Why? Because this channel is to motivate you, to encourage you, and to share a lot of useful information for you as an individual to be able to fulfill your calling and purpose on this earth. Because you have a purpose, you have a reason why you are here. So the first one I'm going to share is to sleep very well. As an adult, I'm not saying you should be sleeping all day, but at least you must be able to sleep very well. Because if you are not sleeping very well, if you are not sleeping when you're supposed to sleep, you may not be able to get the desired results. Anything you are doing, you're not going to concentrate, or you may do it and then you're going to make a lot of mistakes. And sleeping very well, it has a lot of benefit for our health, for our mental health, for our physical health, for us generally. Sleeping very well, it has a lot of benefits. So you need to sleep very well. It's going to help you to take good care of yourself. Then you need to figure it out also. What are the things that does not allow you to sleep very well? You can figure it out. Is it because you still have a small children that you look after them? Is it the nature of your job that does not allow you to sleep very well? Or because your business is not moving very well, you have to do a lot of things? Or you are working on a project? Or anything that does not allow you to sleep very well, you need to figure it out. Then you can adjust. Because when you don't sleep very well, it's going to affect. What I'm going to share is for daily exercise. You may not be able to do exercise every day, but within a week, at least you should be doing exercise for some days in a week. I know this is not easy for everybody, but doing exercise, it has a lot of benefit. And this exercise is not only for those who are overweight or they are plus size. No, exercise is for everybody. and it has a lot of benefits for individual. So when you exercise daily, is by you are taking good care of yourself, and it has a lot of benefit for your mental health, for your well-being, for your physical look, and so many other benefits for you. So when you exercise daily, you're going to be taking care of yourself. And if you cannot do it daily, you can do it some days in a week, as I said earlier. And there's some exercise that you can do. Let me say, maybe you are working, your work is something that demands a lot of energy, a lot of strength from you. You know, you can look out for what kind of exercise you can do. Maybe your work is only to sit down in a place for many hours in a day. Then you can check out what kind of exercise you can do. So you can do running exercise is there, swimming is there, walking is there, yoga is there. Any exercise that you know is good for your head, that is not going to affect you in one way or the other, that is good for you. So you need to figure it out and start to do it as much as you can do it, because it's going to help you to be able to take good care of yourself by eating the right food. You know, the food that we eat, it adds to our weight or to maintain our weight. So that is why you need to know the type of the food that you eat. You need to eat right, okay? And don't follow this pattern that they say you have to eat this type of food because you don't want to gain weight. You have to eat this type of food. If you want to eat all those type of food, it's good for you. But the question you need to ask is that, can I eat this for the rest of my life? Can I continue to eat this food for years? Can I use this as part of my life? Okay, so before you start to eat all those food. But the most important thing I know to take care of yourself about food is to eat right. Okay, eat small portion of the food that you know is not too big for you. Then drink a lot of water. Oh my goodness, it's good to drink water as much as you can drink a lot of water. It has a lot of benefit. Then eat a lot of vegetables, a lot of fruits. Is very, very good for you. Then any other food that you want to eat it, but make sure everything is in moderation, because when you eat right, that is how you're going to take good care of you. And anything you eat is going to reflect on your skin also. You know, it's not until you are buying those expensive cream, glowing cream, all those things, you are buying all those things, but you need to eat right. Because when you eat right, it's going to have a lot of benefits on your physical health, on your well-being, on your skin, you know. And that's what I'm going to share to take care of yourself, is to learn how to say no. You know, this one, it may look like it does not matter. Oh my goodness, it's very, very important, because no, N-O, is a powerful word that everybody will need to learn how to say no. You don't need to overwork yourself. You don't need to stress yourself. You don't need to kill yourself for somebody. You just have to learn how to say no. When you're supposed to say yes, don't say no. When you're supposed to say no, don't say yes. So you need to learn how to balance everything, okay? Because when you are saying yes, when you're supposed to say no, it's going to affect you, and you're not going to take good care of yourself. So that is why they said, don't start what you cannot finish. Because when you start to say yes and you cannot continue, then you start to say no, it's going to cause a lot of problem for you. So learn how to say no. It's going to save you from a lot of headache. It's going to save you from a lot of problems. It's going to save you from a lot of things when you learn how to say no, when you're supposed to say no. Okay, so you have to know when to say no and when to say yes. So all those things is going to help you, because we're going to set a boundary that is going to help you to be able to take care of yourself. To share is to take care of yourself by organize yourself very well. When you organize yourself, you are going to care for yourself, and you're not going to stress yourself too much, because you're going to be organized. Okay, how can you be organized? Maybe you're going to the work in the following morning. At the night, get your bag where you can easily pick it up. Get your car key, your food. You want to cook early in the morning before you go. Get some things out of the fridge. cut something that you need to cut, put something on the kitchen table, you know, put something together. You want to do something tomorrow morning, write them down, journal them. I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to do, journal them, paste it where you can easily see it. Then you're going to know what you want to do tomorrow morning. You're going to be organized, not just spending your time anyhow, not just spending your time, you know, without having any tangible result to show for it. So get yourself organized. If you have a children that they are going to school, let them clean their shoe ready, put the socks inside the shoes, let them arrange their bags, and the next subject they have tomorrow, let them get the books inside the bag. Like that one should be ready somewhere that they can pick it up and go to where they want to go. So when you organize yourself, it's going to help you. You're not going to waste your time, so you're not going to stress. You are going to have time to care for yourself. So the next one I'm going to share with the last one is to know when to have a break. You have to know when you should have a break. You cannot work and work. There should be a time for you to have a break, to look after your skin, to look after your head, to do checkup, to do whatever you want. To give yourself some time to rest, you know, to do all those things. So when you're able to do all these things, it's going to help you to be able to take good care of yourself. And don't forget, if you don't care for yourself, who is going to care for you? Go to take care of yourself, and you're not going to do this and do that and do that. If you are no more, all those things, they will continue to live. That is life. They have no choice. So you have to remember that you are important, you are valuable, and you have to care for yourself. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like the video, to share, and don't forget to leave your comments. Let me know what you think, and if you want me to talk about any topic, also you can leave the comments below this under this video, and I will see you in my next video.